Okay. Recording. All right, we're on the record on cause number. Okay, cause number 2019 DCM 7669. This is a hearing on a petition under the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act at the request of the foreign country Germany. They have requested the state of Texas file this petition seeking to establish parent-child relationship. There are two minor children before the court. Respondent is Dante Scott, who is present through Zoom. And as the record reflected at a previous hearing on this case, the court had ordered that there be DNA testing to be performed concerning both children. Results of DNA tests are in the court file. Parties are now present. Mr. Hargis from the Attorney General's office, I understand you have an announcement to make in this case.
Yes, Your Honor. The parties before the hearing met and conferred and have reached an agreement on all the issues that were outlined in the petition.
Okay.
And if we'd like to recite the agreement on the record.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
The parties agree that Mr. Scott is the father of the two children before the court and that he has a duty to support. And the child support amount, it's $592 a month beginning August 1st, 2020. And he's to carry the health insurance for both children through his retirement, military retirement TRICARE, and a retroactive child support judgment in the amount of $6,648 as of today, with a payment plan to pay off that judgment at the rate of $83 a month beginning August 1st, 2020. All obligations begin August 1st, 2020.
Okay. You understand August 1st is this Friday or Saturday?
I do now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we make it September 1 instead?
We can do that, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir. September 1. Mr. Scott, you heard the agreement as recited by the Attorney General. Is it
Yes.
agreed upon, sir?
Yes, I agree. I concur with all procedures.
Okay. All right. Having heard the agreement and stipulated by the respondent, Mr. Scott, the court will approve that agreement. And that will be the order of the court. I have child support to be set at first of all, that Mr. Scott is the father of the children, subject of this lawsuit. I believe there was DNA testing that was done. The court will take judicial notice of results of the DNA test that established that he is the father of the child and did not exclude him as a father of the children. Child support to be set at, I got $592 a month in support of Mr. Hargis.
Yes, you copied correctly, sir.
Okay. And that Mr. Scott will provide health insurance through his retirement through the TRICARE system.
Yes.
If you have not done that already, Mr. Scott, you need to do that right away.
ASAP. Yes, sir.
We usually do about 30 days to get that process done so that the custodial parent can avail of herself of that health insurance.
Yes, sir.
Be a judgment of retroactive support in the sum of $6,648. Is that right, Mr. Hargis?
That is correct, Your Honor.
To be paid at a rate of $83 a month. These payments are also both payments commencing on September 1. All right. Is there anything else that we need to address in this matter, Mr. Hargis?
The only thing I would ask is about the submission of the order to the court, the protocol on.
I already got the orders you did this morning, so you're very quickly. I do need to have the order in right away. because next week the court is scheduled to participate in that CLA, the Advanced Family Law course, even though it's being held with web or I was going to say virus, virtual. Um, I need to have that order in by by Friday, tomorrow.
Sir, may I answer the question?
Yes, sir.
How fast can I get a court order, I guess, or copies of this procedure? That way I can go and post, I can turn it into TRICARE. So hopefully within the next 30 days, I can have their overseas TRICARE link. I'm gonna need
Okay.
that paperwork to prove that they are my children so I can get the ball rolling, if you will.
Yes, sir. As soon as I get the order, I will sign it
Mhm.
with the clerk's office, and they will send you a copy of the order.
Yes, sir.
If you want to know a copy of the order faster than that, I don't know how long they can get it to you.
Mhm.
But once I get it, it will be filed with the clerk's office, and if you want to, you can, I don't know if you can come by. I was gonna say, get a copy from the district clerk's office here in El Paso.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
All right. Anything else that we need to address, Mr. Vargas?
Your Honor, can I ask Mr. Scott if he'd be willing to allow me to submit the order directly to the court without his signature, now that we have all the terms recited on the record?
I would say yes, please, because that way it speeds everything up. I can get the TRICARE going and it can start getting paid on the 1st. So anything that speeds up the process, I concur. I'm agreeing to it, sir.
Okay.
All right, very well. Appreciate your cooperation, Mr. Scott. And as soon as I get the order, I will sign it right away and we'll file it right away with the clerk's office.
I appreciate that, sir.
Very well. That will conclude our hearing for today. I do appreciate you all being here today, participating in this Zoom application because
No
of the
problem, sir.
pandemic. We can't be in court. If there's anything else, that concludes our hearing. Parties are excused at this time. You can log off at this time. Thank you all very much. Be safe.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And Judge, on the other case, go ahead. I'll just go ahead and submit the DNA testing order.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Already gave you the final date on that one, Mr. Hargis.
Yes, Your Honor, I do have
Okay.
it.
Okay, very well. All right, thank you all very much. That concludes our hearings and our docket. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Well, you got an order.
Huh?
You got an order, so that's good.
We get it by tomorrow.
No, I don't know what the deal is, why he wants to wait so long. I mean,
Órale, pues. So I'll see you tomorrow then, pues.
Dale, pues. All right, and as of right now, let me see. I got an incoming mail. No, that's not an order. So
Now you're right. I was in a meeting right now.
nothing
Training.
so far. Okay.
I'll give them to her tomorrow, sir, if they send anything later on.